What will happen to the markets if Hillary Clinton wins the US presidential election? A very good evening to you traders. This is Mark. Welcome to your daily trading video. Okay, second part of a multi-part series. First part we did Donald Trump. What will happen if Donald Trump wins the election? Now we're going to look at what will happen, or what is the expected likelihood move of specific markets if Hillary Clinton wins the election in a couple of weeks' time. And what I'm going to do is do some more videos as we move on to talk about some trade ideas, strategies and setups, because being prepared for every eventual outcome is what it's all about. But let's just look at what the expectation is, and then in further videos we'll drill down into trades from the expectations, the unexpected, and all those kind of different permutations we've got. So the first thing to note is Hillary Clinton's the clear favourite. Donald Trump was about 6-1, 7-1 odds last time I looked. Hillary Clinton's way out ahead, and she's way out ahead in the opinion polls. However, as with Brexit, as with the UK general election, things don't always go as the bookies plan or the opinion polls plan. So let's have a look. So stock markets are expected to rally. If Hillary Clinton gets in, it's expected to be strong for the US economy, good for the country as a whole, and there may well be a relief rally. Our trade opportunity comes in with that relief rally, and more specifically, if that relief rally rolls over. But we'll go into more depth with that in the next video. But for now, that's what we're expecting. The same with the dollar. The dollar is expected to rise just because more stability for the country, and the central bank's probably going to carry on with the rate hike plan. So we're probably going to get that in December, assuming Hillary Clinton gets in. And I would expect the odds of the December hike will then shoot up if she gets in, which of course will strengthen the dollar. And then vice versa, we're going to get falls in the yen and then the pound and the euro as we look at the flip side of the coin from both of those. So the obvious currency pairs are going to be the dollar denominated pairs from that. But also, let's not forget the old Mexican peso. Donald Trump with his wall and all his rhetoric about various things to do with the Mexicans over there, or hombres as he called some of them in the last debate. I'm expecting that to be volatile. US dollar, Mexican peso cross should be just almost correlated with Hillary or Donald getting in. Again, we'll talk about some strategies later on with that. The other thing which a lot of people, people have overlooked is the fact that she's been going on about the biotech sector in the US quite heavily. She's complained about drug pricing. She's complained about this EpiPen thing being priced as it is. She's been complaining about the price gouging. So you would expect, if she gets into office, she will do something about that. If that's something that's dear to her heart and she wants to start stopping drug companies, biotech companies from hiking prices, the ones that are going to be hit the most are going to be the biotechs. The smaller cap, if you like, not the big pharmaceuticals. Obviously they're going to hurt, but not as bad as some of these biotechs which rely on sort of high pricing to further fund their research and the development in the drugs. That's the business model. So if she comes in and she starts attacking that, starts putting a maximum price on things, starts putting different kind of restrictions, we may well see a significant fall in the biosector. And let's just have a little look at some of the biosector charts. So the two major ETFs we've got are IBB and XBI. This is IBB here. You can see how it's fallen off a little bit as Hillary's becoming the favourite. It's definitely eased off a little touch here. And let's have a look at XBI as well, which is they're both ETFs. One's a spider ETF, and look, you can see this as well, rolled back over. So not going to formulate a trade strategy now. However, this could be a good potential place to trade. So some of the ideas are going to be the biotechs, the dollar, the yen, the stock market, and then the Mexican peso. But we'll go into those in a later video. Anyway, hope you had a great trading day today, guys. Back with another video tomorrow. Take care.